ammeter does not need to touch when measuring AC current. Product real shot introduction. High-precision digital ammeter with a storage bag, meter pen, manual, and other accessories. Before measuring, you can remove the dust plug of the test lid. Capacitance measurement, discharge before measurement. DC voltage measurement display. Resistance measurement can be measured by connecting both sides. Phasor display, you can detect the line on and off. Then CV non-contact induction, but the sound when voltage is sensed. Recognize the zero line. Use the single test lead to detect. The line will beep quickly. The zero line screen displays the F, and there is no beep. AC voltage measurement display. Hertz measurement display. AC current measurement display.